Daddy, we're putting a Series 6 in there. Happy days, man. Because of the manifold, eh?
Yeah.
So this is sitting originally where the motor originally sits. And yeah, because Series 4 and 5 ain't like the manifold sit backwards. So yeah, it's a freaking nightmare.
What I did was the lower intake, we moved that all forward.
Yeah.
And then we had the batty.
Yeah, so if you've got a batty manifold in there, you just, it comes right forward. You just chuck them straight in. So yes, all the accelerator, as you can see, the clutch master, I've remoted it. So it's all inside, just use the original one.
People don't understand, do that, until you've actually done it.
Yeah, yeah, and cut out that main frame that used to be in here.
Yep.
Chop that out because I was just like, this needs to fuck off. I need to get the hell out of here.
It's a hard conversion.
It's
much
a fucking
easier.
nightmare, man.
Yeah, it's easier just thinking old school.
Yeah, like the KE, tons of room from here to Africa.
And to get that in, you got to take all your front bar off and all that shit.
No.
Oh, you didn't?
No,
oh, mine I had to.
I chopped that bar out that wasn't here. That used to go from here to here.
Oh, yeah.
I just took that out.
Oh, but I'm saying with the crane to get it in there.
Yeah, no, we built this on our driveway, outside, no garage. Just slapped it in there. And what I did was I had all the old turbo set up. And I was like, it's not fucking going in there. So I ended up, Holix on, hey, you make it work when you try. She ended up cutting out the fucking chassis rail that folds, trying to get the turbo, and I was like, it ain't gonna happen. So unbolted the turbo, got the block in there, gearbox up, and then route from there.
Now, how do you find this pipe? Because I've done a similar thing on one of my cars, and it just goes from there straight into your
Nah, I can't.
It doesn't in yours?
No, the noise, yeah. But
yeah, the noise is okay, but the
fumes, nah, that's sweet. That's actually really sweet,
You read it tomorrow, I got mine squished, or squished one up a bit.
Yours is the same, yeah.
No, it changed it completely. You got from being brown.
Yeah.
When I put it on the ground.
Mine sort of comes out here on the bottom.
Yeah, so the closer you get it to the window, the more you're going to get it vacuuming in there. But yeah, I've had no issues with fumes or anything.
What sort of horsepower is it, mate?
So it's only 300 at 7.2 RPM.
And that's enough to send it drifting?
Well, it's a skid car, so I've only done fucking 2 events in it. So the first one we did, we had no brakes at all, had a massive brake issue, had the wrong T-section with no wrong threads. So we tried to fix that, me and Annie were up until like 3 in the fucking morning and made one issue into 3, and then we're like, fuck it, we'll just send it, we'll just get it down to the track because it was impulsive. And then I was like, I've done skids before with no brakes, been drunk, but hey, this shouldn't be any different, being sober, Got out there, first run was mint, I ran 18s, it was actually mean. Second run, I slapped 17s on, got a little bit too cocky. Yeah, took up the wall and that, smashed the whole fucking wall out.
So what about gearbox and everything in it?
It's actually a HC, it's a HC loose box. Reset box.
I haven't heard that before.
So yeah, so they're the same boxes, but the third is different. Apparently they've got a bigger corner. Yeah, it's a cunt. It's an arsehole, man. Because it's because it's used to like being a V6, like you're not slapping gears. So
you recommend don't do that?
It might be like the Van Ash, how when you go from third to fourth, it's got a big stretch maybe? I don't know.
You just can't get it in there. You've got to do the big, you've got the 10-second pause, so your gear shifts are like neutral and then in, So took the counterweight off the back of the gearbox to put the RX-8 rear one on there.
That sounds like a mission, like already it sounds like
Yeah, no, we were like on the driveway and we were like, this has to come off. Yeah, surely it comes off. So I put on the dyno and thought, if anything's going to happen to this box, it'll happen then. And it's fucking mint. It actually changes gear a little bit there.
What's going on here?
So
that's got steps too. I've got a black one like this.
So that's an Annie's.
Because you've got a couple more hiding up in the garage too, yeah?
Yeah, we dragged that out.
I like it black. This is similar to mine, yeah? Similar
So
sort of wheels.
custom painted this. It's actually
So you do all the painting and everything in here, yeah?